Hello, guys, and welcome to the channel Tech It Simple. Today, we're going to talk about how to share your Google Calendar with others. Firstly, open Google Calendar on your mobile device. Then, tap on any event. Just select the event and hit the Edit button on the top right. It looks kind of like a pencil. Below the date and time, you will find an icon similar to Facebook Friends. Next to it, you will find your own email, and below it, your schedules. By clicking on View Schedules, you can see what guests can and cannot do, like, for example, modify versus like others and see guest lists. Now, just click on your own email, and you will be transferred to another page where you can add more participants. For example, this email at gmail.com. After you've entered the participant's email, just click Done. Now, when you press the Save button, it will prompt you to send a notification to the participants. You can send it by clicking on Send. If you don't want to send it, click on Don't Send. That's it, guys. That's how you can share your Google Calendar schedule with others. For more content like this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.